assassin. Assassin! You were a sentimental mercy in a free fire zone, parading a Hollywood conscience. You were a fashionable objector with a uniform fetish, Pavlovian slaver at the cash till ring of success. A non-con observer, I assassin the collector. Defector. So you resign yourself to failure, and I emerge the chilling stranger to eradicate the problem and sheath the blade within the voice, within the voice, within the voice, within the voice. And what do you call assassins who accuse assassins anyway, my friend?